People are telling you not to believe. They're telling you not to. So I got to give you the arguments. They're telling you, first of all, Obama may have good ideas, but he has not been in Washington long enough. Hasn't been in Washington long enough. We need to season and stew him a little bit longer and boil all the hope out of him. And then maybe 20, 30 years from now, when he talks just like us, maybe he'll be ready. I notice the American people have been rejecting this argument because they understand the last thing we need is to have the same old folks doing the same old things, playing the same old games over and over again, and somehow expecting a different result. We don't need that. We need something new. Then I've been hearing some stuff from Senator Clinton. I got to say, she really liked me when I was 20 points down. So she said today, she actually compared our campaign to Karl Rove's. Now, that's one I had not heard before. But you know what? I am proud of our campaign because it's a campaign that's been based on telling the truth about the differences that Senator Clinton and I have on the issues. For example, the truth is, this is part of what got her upset. The truth is that Senator Clinton supported NAFTA before she ran for president. I mean, that is indisputable. She called it a victory in her book. She told people it has proved its worth. Those are facts. So we pointed out that she supported NAFTA, and we thought it was a bad idea because it didn't provide enough protections for labor and environment. Senator Clinton took offense at that. But you can't be for something or take credit for an administration and 35 years of experience, and then when you run for president, suggest somehow that you didn't really mean what you said back then. It doesn't work that way. Senator Clinton also said today that since when did Democrats attack one another on universal health care? There's a quote. Well, since she started saying that I'm against universal health care, that's when it started. Something she repeats every single day. The truth is, Senator Clinton does have a universal health care plan. And so do I. The difference is she has what she calls a mandate, and I don't. And I just want to spend a little time explaining this. It's not a mandate that government give you insurance. It's government mandating that you buy insurance. So she believes that the only way to get universal health care is to force you to buy insurance, even if it's not yet affordable. You have to pay a fine, or she would go, in her words, after your wages. Now, I believe that the problem is not that people don't want health insurance, it's that they can't afford it. So I want to lower costs, give people subsidies. I think people will buy insurance.